Have you ever wondered how to make these awesome effects? You can now easily do it thanks to the curve speed of FlexClip. Let's see how it works. I'm going to log in and continue with Google, and we're going to create a video. In this case, I'm not going to import any media. I'm just going to go to video and search skateboarding, for example, and I'm going to import this one. Once I have my video in the timeline, I only have to select it and click on speed. Here in speed, I can change the normal speed, which will modify the speed in the entire video. But there is a very interesting feature in FlexClip, which is the curve speed. Here I have some presets, but I'm going to customize. And as you can see here, we have a kind of timeline which represents the length of the video with several points. If I move a point upward, I am increasing the speed of the video at this point. Likewise, if I move a point downward, I am decreasing the speed of the video. This is 8 times the normal speed, and this is 1/10 the normal speed. I can add point anywhere by clicking on add point, and I can also select a point and delete it. So what do we want? We're gonna watch the video, and I'm gonna go to the beginning, and in the moment the man is jumping, we're gonna reduce the speed of the video. So the man is going to start jumping here. So here I am going to add a point, well, slightly before that moment, I'm going to add a point and another point here. So when the man is going to jump, which is here, I am going to reduce the speed of the video. During the jump, the speed is going to be slow up to here. And after that, and I need another point that I'm going to add, we're going to go back to the initial speed. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. The video looks awesome, very attractive, very professional, and everything thanks to the new feature of FlexClip.